This leaves your home smelling good without FLIs, without mosquitoes, and spending almost nothing. First, we will use an orange with the use of a knife. I will cut the bottom of the orange to keep standing, and then I will cut in half. With this simple recipe, you will no longer have problems with insects in your home. And for sure, all ingredients you have in your home. Then with a utensil, in the middle of the half of the orange, that serves as a base, I will make a hole. In this hole, I will put half a candle. With this tip for sure, you will avoid the FLIs and mosquitoes in your home. I will now put on the sides also cloves. This spice is very fragrant and one of the items that will help in the aroma of your home and are very important to ward off FLIs. For sure, this is the best natural tip to ward off insects. I'm sure that when doing in your home, will no longer have problems with insects. Now I will use some sticks. I will put standing in the orange using 2 units, so the other end will be above the candle, where I will put the other half of the orange. And so our tip will be ready. I will only light the candle, and we can already notice the aroma of orange in the environment. This tip today is for all home environments. After I started using, I no longer had problems with insects, and my visits always ask me what was the secret I used. Here we will also do this tip with another aroma. I will use a lemon. The process is the same. First, we will cut the tip and also cut in half. After that, we will also open a hole in the middle and add the other half of the candle. Using this tip only for a short period in the day-to-day in your home, you can already have a better aroma. And the main thing is to keep the insects away from your home. And then we're going to add also the cloves, are fundamental to keep the insects away. Finally, I will add the sticks, remembering to keep above the height of the candle. Then just add the other half above and our tip is ready. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Chloe Johnson from the United States. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. The ideal is the use of each aroma of this in a room of your home, being ideal even for use in the bathroom when lighting the candle ends with any odor. I hope you enjoyed today's tip. Tell me later if you got the desired result for use in your home. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.